Hi, I'm Alicia and welcome to my channel Papercraft Secrets. This is a video tutorial showcasing a set of 4 Christmas cards, which is a free printable on my website, and it's my Christmas gift to everybody for 2022. I'm going to show you how to create these cards and you can print them and make them for free. Once you have headed over to my website at www.papercraftsecrets.com.au and you have signed up with your email address to receive the free printables, you can download these printables from my website onto some cardstock that you can put through your printer. Once you have printed these out, then you can start creating. Your first step is to take your paper trimmer and to trim down all of the pieces from the A4 cardstock. You can trim as close to the golden lines as you like. I've left a little white edge around mine, that's optional. You could trim closer to that golden edge if you wanted to. Once you have gone through and trimmed down all of your pieces, you're ready to start your card, and you might like to fussy cut the Merry Christmas sentiment. I'm using some light green cardstock to match the colours in the Christmas card, and it is Kaisercraft cardstock. Our measurement for our cards is 6 by 8.5 inches, and then we fold in half. You'll be able to make 2 cards per 12 by 12 piece of cardstock, so you will be needing 2 pieces of cardstock to create 1 set of these cards. Once you have folded your cardstock, you just need to simply glue the picture onto the front of the card. These cards are very simple and very easy to make. So there we go, we're just gluing that front image onto the front of our cardstock. Last one now. So there's 2 ballerinas, a nutcracker and a Christmas tree in this collection. We have an inside section of our card where we can write a message, and we have a little pocket section in our card. Let's do at the inside of the second card now. Pop that in. And then when gluing the pocket, do not put glue along the top, only glue the 2 sides and the bottom so that you can slide some money or a gift card inside that pocket. And our last card now, that's our insert for where we write, and then our pocket. It's obviously, that can be an option to your cards. Then we have our Merry Christmas sentiment that we're going to add with some little dots, some little foam dots. You can place that anywhere on your card that you feel is a good spot. I'm going to put it around the dancer's legs. And at the bottom of the nutcracker as well. There we go, that's looking beautiful. And then inside you can put some money or a gift card. Let's just use a tag as an example. And there's our beautiful cards. Hop on over to my website at www.papercraftsecrets.com.au to print off your copy. And I hope you have a beautiful Merry Christmas with your family and your friends. And I thank you for your support this year. Please make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much for watching and have a lovely crafty day.